Hi, so quick unboxing to DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More Kit, which is a charger with 2 additional batteries, charging cable, a case and spare propellers. So let's open it and see how it looks. There is always DJI sticker and there we go. So it looks like everything is already inside in this box, this nice case. Yes, the case is empty, so you have additional space for the drone itself. There is something here which is manual. I really need manual to know how batteries works. Of course, I'm joking. And we have just the case. By the way, the case has another spare place that you can put maybe your wallet or your keys or something, and the strip is adjustable like any strap. And here we have the main thing that we need. Okay, so inside, by the way, I was missing the cable. I didn't see any cable. Yeah, so there is no cable in this box, so it does not include any cable. This is interesting. I thought there will be another charging cable, but there is no such a thing. So let's zoom in maybe. Okay, so here are the 2 batteries. By the way, of course, there is a place for 3, one that you got with the drone. This is exactly the same battery, the 249 battery, so it is not the extended one. I thought that it will come with the extended, so I was wrong. And here you have a button that you can press that is probably checking the battery condition. So you have 4 LEDs for each battery, and you have a USB Type-C as an input. This is the charging, and output a regular USB, so you can use it as the old version as a power bank if you wish to. So I've never done it, but probably you can. So now I will try to charge this guy, but for this I need to find a USB Type-C cable, of course, and a charger. So let's go for the first. Yeah, I found. So I have a very good anchor cable as a charging, and it works like this. If it is like the old version, it is searching for the most charged battery in order to complete its charge, so we will be able to fly as soon as possible. So let's see. Now I've plugged it in, and you can see it is starting to charge. It's chosen the second battery here, and this is not a fast charge. You can also use a quick charge, which up the voltage up to 9 volts, and this allows to charge the cells very quickly. I will try to see if, yes, I have such a charger. This is a quick charge, so it enables a quick charge. Look at the blinking speed. You will see it blinks one blink per second, something like this. And now I will plug the fast charger, so probably the blink will be faster, which requires that this is using a fast charge. And as you can see, it is blinking much faster than before. Not yet. No, it is not. It looks like it is not using the fast charge. I don't know why. Maybe I will search if I have additional charger. Anyway, I can of course test it. I have a USB tester that tests the voltage out, and then I can see if it does switch to 9 volt or not. So maybe let's do it. Let's search for this charger. Yeah, I found it. This guy. With this guy I can check the actual voltage of the charging and see if it is switching to higher voltage. Let's do so. No, it stays in 5 volt. So the charging, fast charging, does not work for some reason. I'm not sure if it is if it can work with fast charge. I guess it can. Okay, so one more thing that you must be aware. I was searching, and inside this hidden place you have the additional propellers and the charging cable. So I was right. It should come with additional 2 kits of spare propellers and additional charging cable. So do know that it is hidden in this pouch on the upper part that you have to open in order to find it. Okay, that's all. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you and bye.